Hey there, I've made this brick cutting board quite a few times, but this time I messed up a little. Even though you can't really see it from far away, let's see if you can spot the mistake. Drop your guesses in the comments. For these boards, I'm using oak and some kind of red wood. Honestly, I have no idea what species it is or how it even ended up in my shop. First board, the brick pattern. Nothing too complicated here. The main thing is just not to mess it up.
Okay, we'll all soon be gone. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights?
I got a question from one of my viewers. What's the best glue for cutting boards? I wouldn't stick to any brand. The main thing is that the glue is food safe. I personally use Tite Bond.
Everyone's a hypocrite. In this game we cannot win. Hey, what's the matter with the bright red lights? In the moment when the world went blind, but everything's alright. We don't give a damn this time. In how many ways can I tell you how much I want you? In how many ways can I show you how much I love you? I try and I try and I try, but you just walk on by. How many times must I try? You see, I'm all about you. Yeah, I'm knocking at your door, baby, heart in hand. Waiting in rain when I snow, baby, heart in hand. Heart in hand.
While the glue dries, let's move on to the second board. Here I'm gluing the strips into a sandwich.
But baby, heart in hand. But baby, heart in hand. I wanna be right where you are. I promise you the sky and the stars. I try and I try and I try, but you just won't abide. I'm knocking at your door, baby, heart in hand. Waiting in rain when it's snow, baby, heart in hand. In how many ways
Show me a woodworker who has enough clamps. And a quick warning, don't buy these clamps. They're total garbage.
show you how much I love you? Waiting in rain when it's snow, baby, heart in hand.
I said sandwich, but it actually looks more like a cookie. It makes me want to take a bite.
Baby, heart in hand. But baby, heart in hand.
Sorry I didn't show the actual glue up, the part where I'm spreading glue on these pieces and clamping it down. It's important to move your buns pretty fast there. And a little trick, spread a bit more glue so the parts don't grab too early before you clamp it down. After sanding, I spray the whole surface with water to raise the grain and dry it. This time with a regular hairdryer. Then I sand it again. Whole process, sand, wet, let it dry, subscribe to my channel, sand again, and oil it. In theory, the grain shouldn't rise anymore after this. In practice, it still does a little. I'll leave links to the tools and materials I use down in the description. Buying through those links won't cost you anything extra, but it really motivates me to make more content. Thank you for the support, and let me know in the comments where you think I messed up. See you in the next one.